people, and welcome back to my channel, guys. I hope everyone is doing good, and welcome to all my new subscribers. Today I'm gonna be watching my hair. I'm gonna be using this Dove shampoo, and welcome back if you already subscribed to my channel. I'm using this shampoo for 2 months now, and I've been liking it. Haven't been drying my hair like have other dandruff shampoo have done, and it's quick and easy to use because it's all in one, shampoo and conditioner in one bottle. You know, us busy mom don't have time to be putting in shampoo, conditioner. We want to do 1-2 wash, done. So now my hair is freshly washed. Now it's time to put some oil in this hair. And guys, I'm gonna be showing you the length of my hair. So let's see. Come on. Hey, length check. What would I say now? Bra strap length. That's what you would say. Yeah. I've been growing my hair for 7 years, and I love it. I moisturize my hair, I would say, twice a week. If I don't have a protective style, I will only put oil in there. But other from that, I try to keep it as hydrated as I can, because my hair do get thirsty. So I try to oil it. It's time for my aloe vera juice that I've been using in my hair for the past 2 weeks, trying to get it hydrated. And all I do, I just put in all these products in my hair and get it really Saturn, not too wet but kind of moist. And then I'm gonna be putting in my oil, and I just rub it up. Rub. Massage your scalp, stimulate that hair growth, guys. And guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and let me know in the comment how often do you wash your dreads, and how often do you moisturize it. Guys, go ahead, hit me in the comment section, and you could even tell me how often you do a wash. Even if you don't have dreads, you don't even have to have hair to hit up the comment section. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and guys, I see you in my next video. So enjoy and have a blessed day. Thank you again, guys. Bye.